Over the last 12 months, I've purchased more than 12,000 physical products from eBay.com that I've then resold on Amazon for more than six figures in pure profit. And the best part is, I've done it all from home, sometimes in my pajamas, sometimes in my Sunday best. The point is, the choice was mine. Sounds like a dream come true, right? Well, for me, it was. However, to be perfectly transparent, growing to this level hasn't been all sunshine and rainbows. While the business has been extremely gratifying, lucrative, and financially life-changing, the amount of obstacles I encountered every day as I grew my eBay to Amazon business was driving me absolutely nuts. The more items I would purchase on eBay to grow my Amazon business, the more issues I would encounter. And guess what? It was 100% my fault. I literally had no system to handle the various nuances to the specific E2A flipping model. I had no system to track my eBay purchases to know if they were actually being delivered to my house successfully.